about Siberut National Park. It's made by me. First, the definition. A national park is an area designated for the conservation of species. They can be animals or plants. They are maintained by the government and a lot of worldwide organizations like the International Union of Conservation of Nature. They say by 2006 there was 6,555 national parks around the world. The world's first national park was Yellowstone National Park in the state of Wyoming, United States. In each country, there is a classification between national parks and the nature reserves, but the meaning is basically the same. There are areas useful for preserving the wildlife, plants, and other ways of life like bacteria. This one is the natural reserve of El Vizcaíno in Mugle, Baja California, Mexico, and the national park of Cañón del Sumidero in Chiapas, Mexico. Localization of the nature reserve. Siberut National Park comprises 1,905 kilometers squared of the island of Siberut in Mentawai, island of West Sumatra, Indonesia. Why is this natural reserve necessary? In Siberut National Park is one of the most important parks of all Indonesia, where about 20% of the world's species could be found here. Unfortunately, Indonesia done little bit of work to conserve these parks, and they have to intervene by non-governmental and non-profit organizations, or those outside countries that try to prevent the incessant hunt of animals. Description of the natural reserve, flora and fauna. The size, the tropical climate, and geography of the archipelago makes Indonesia the third country with the highest levels of biodiversity in the world, after Peru and Brazil. Siberut National Park exists a lot of unique species of animals, but there exists an special animal called the cloud leopard, which is a medium-sized wild cat. Its total population suspects to be fewer than 10,000 measured individuals, with a decreasing population trend and no single population numbering more than 1,000 adults. This makes Siberut National Parks the place with the biggest concentration of population of the clouded leopard. These are images about the cloud leopard, which is the endemic species of Siberut National Park. Conclusions. There are so many places around the world with a lot of species, and it's our duty to, as the smartest animal on earth, to protect the other ways of life in the planet. We always need to know that we are only visitors in the planet. We aren't the owners of the earth. That means that the earth could be okay without us. So we need to take care about our actions in the planet, like stop the global warming. This should be your priority because it could mean our extinction. If people take care of their action, we could stop global warming. If governments make the difference, the people will follow them. If the school teach about ecology, our future will be different. If UNESCO takes more courage against the furtive hunters, the animals will live more. If the forest rangers get a bigger payment, they will work more. If the world will be safer, if we create more national reserves, the animals will live more if we don't destroy their habitats. Natural reserves will exist if people visit them. Our endemic species won't disappear if we make it our priority. Mexico, as one of the mega diverse countries, should participate more if the government get more professional. The natural reserve will be safer for animals if we have respect for them. Thank you. See you later.